So I promised to follow up on the fret job for this ukulele. I've got a few that just aren't sitting in the fret slots quite the way I want them to. They're a little loose, they've got a little give when you push on them, and we need to fix that. So what I'm going to do today is glue those down tight, and then we'll come back, we'll trim all the ends, file them a little bit, make this look a lot nicer and feel much better in the hand. Well, the glue up is done. I'm not sure how much of it you were able to see because of having to shift and focus more on the glue up than the filming aspect. One problem I ran into when I was working on this is that I would have liked to use my neck-shaped calls, but these are guitar-sized, and this is not a guitar, it's a ukulele. So didn't quite have the space to clamp the way that I would have liked for maximum pressure. So the plywood idea, my plywood calls, had to be ditched, and fortunately the sanding block came in handy. It's radius to the same radius as the fretboard. Hopefully that works out well. We'll see here in a little bit when I take it out of the clamps and get cleaning up the rest of it. See you then.